Hi there! In today's video, I will show you how to change a language on your Apple Watch Series 10. Let's get started. So, as a first step, we would need to open the Apple Watch application on our phone and then go to this tab which is named General. As a next step, go here which is named Language and Region. And here, if you would like to set another language only on your watch instead of Mirror My iPhone, choose Custom. And now, as you can see, I got preferred languages, but if you don't have any, click on this button Add Language and choose the language that you would like to add on your watch. And as a next step, you would need to move the language that you want to set on your watch on the first place. As you can see, currently I got English, but for example, let's switch it to the Japanese. So I am holding these three lines on the right edge and then pulling it up. Now, as you can see, we got message. Applying this setting will restart your Apple Watch. So I'm clicking continue, and now we would need to wait a little while until the language will be changed. As you can see, currently it's saying in Japanese, that's setting the language to Japanese, and we would need to wait. And this is it. Now my watch has successfully switched the language to Japanese. You can see that everything here is on Japanese. Now we can also check the settings to be sure that the language has switched. And yes, this is it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thanks for watching.